And whenever I get sick, or my kids, I have 4 kids,
Ah,
they're often sick. Then she like insists that I would take Synthesit and also give it to my kids.
and how
I
old are you?
think I think it helps to like recover from infections.
Hello, my name is Lisa, and I'm part of Synthesit, and we are here on the YouTube channel of our Synthesit. And today we have Alisa from Finland, who would like to share her situation and her story with Synthesit with us. So, Alisa, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself and your situation and how you came to learn about us or Synthesit, and then go on to talk about, as far as I know, if you are taking it or your mother is taking it or how the situation is, you will tell us. And then how much you're taking, when are you taking it, and what you have been or your family has been experiencing with it. So please.
Okay. Hello, my name is Alice. I'm 29 years old, and I'm here to tell about my mom's experience with Synthesit. Uh, she was introduced to Synthesit last year, 2021, and she heard much good um, she heard very much good recommendations about Synthesit, so she decided to order it, and she started to use it by taking capsules one a day. At that moment, she had really sore foot. She barely could walk, and she visited her doctor, and the doctor described painkillers for her and special insoles for shoes, but nothing really helped.
Okay.
And it really was bad for a long time, for weeks. And when she started to take the Synthesit, the pain went off, and she now can walk normally. So she's really glad about that. Um, and my mom also says, she's 65 years old, that now it's much easier for her to wake up in the mornings, even if she didn't get enough of sleep. So it's not that difficult than it was before. And she also had coronavirus last spring, and even though she's 65 and wasn't vaccinated, then still the coronavirus was really easy for her. She only had like 1 or 2 days of fever, and that's it.
Okay.
Now she uses the Synthesit drops mainly, about twice a day, 10 drops at each time.
Yeah.
And it really helps her to like to bear stress at work, and if she has some difficult days and stressful days, she is full of energy, and she can like bear it all day long.
Is she still working in the office or
She's
professionally?
working at school.
She's working at the
Yes,
school.
yes.
Okay.
So long days and much of responsibility. And she's really glad that she has Synthesit, because it gives her so much power
So she's a
and
teacher.
energy. She's helping like teacher, and sometimes she teaches herself also.
And can I ask, because you said your mother heard about us last year, and
Yes,
where exactly from? Do you know?
probably from YouTube.
Okay.
She's like listening some podcast and bloggers, and
Okay.
there she heard about Synthesis for the first time.
And she
Yes.
started taking the capsules, or she went right away
Yes,
with the
first
liquid?
she started taking capsules, 1 capsule a day, but then at some point she switched to the drops,
Okay.
and now is using drops, but she prefers capsules also.
And
Yeah.
do you know why she chose to do the drops now, or is she still trying it out?
She decided to try them and see what kind of result is from the drops. But now she thinks that the capsules are maybe more effective for her. So she's about to order some capsules from now on.
And do you know the concentration of Synthesit that she took with the capsules and now?
Concentration. Well, no, I'm not sure.
The amount of iron. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. The silver package was with
From,
the drops.
from
I don't know if it's
Switzerland.
helpful.
From Switzerland.
Maybe, don't know.
Okay.
But she also
yes, sure.
gives me those drops, and whenever I get sick or my kids, I have 4 kids, they're often sick. Then she like insists that I would take Synthesit and also give it to my kids.
And how old are you?
I think it helps to like recover from infections.
And how old are your children?
My oldest is 9 years old, then 6 years old, 3.5, and the youngest is 1 year old.
And they have all taken it also.
Yes, when they get infected with flu or something, then I give them to Synthesit.
Interesting.
Like 5 drops a time. Yes,
only one day and then not more, or
during the infections.
Many during the infection days. So some days. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And did your mother also notice, or did your mother take it continuously, or did she do also make breaks in between?
She takes it continuously because it helps her so much, and yeah, sometimes she takes my kids for the weekends, and she says she wouldn't make it without Synthesit because there's so much mess and voices and noises. So it really helps her.
Yeah. And is she also taking other supplements?
Not really. Maybe vitamin D. Vitamin D only, and nothing else.
So mainly the Synthesit.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And what kind of nutrition are you taking? Are you on a special diet or
no
special regimes? No.
Nothing special with that.
So you eat everything.
Yes.
Okay. And did your mother notice also changes on her appearance, or for example, her nails or her hair, her skin? Or have there been any changes?
Well, she didn't mention about that, so probably not.
Okay.
She has some trouble with hair loss, but I didn't hear that Synthesit would affect on it.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe one more question. When exactly did she start taking it? Do you know the month from last year?
Probably in the spring 2021.
Okay, so it's been over a year now. Oh, 1.5.
Yes.
Less than 1.5 years she's been taking it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
And when she orders like big package of many bottles of drops and capsules and whatever, and then she gives it as gift for all her closest like relatives and family members and friends. Like, this is for you. This makes your life change.
That's good. Well, we're happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Is there any? Well, it's difficult because you're speaking on behalf of your mother, but is there something you want to share to future Synthesit customers or to our viewers?
I think everyone should try it because my mom had really big change in her energy level, and I also see the results, especially during infections. So maybe it works differently for different people, but for us, there is definitely a positive effect from Synthesit.
And what were the causes back then for her leg pain? Do you know how long she has been
No, no,
having it? No, it was.
no, doctor didn't like didn't tell her what was the main cause, but somehow it went away. They just uh, said she needs to rest and take painkillers, and
Okay.
they made special insoles, especially for her, so that it wouldn't be so painful to walk.
So it's just she was walking, and at some point in her life it became painful.
Yes, yes, only with one foot.
But did she? Okay, and there was. She doesn't know, or you cannot assume how it started or why it's like this.
No,
No.
no, not really.
And for how long was there the pain?
It was painful for many weeks, many weeks. So
So
I
not
noticed.
years, but
Yes,
for some weeks only.
maybe for even for months.
For
Yes,
some months. Okay. Okay. So maybe she was actually looking for something instead of painkillers that could help with the pain, and
maybe,
that's why she chose
but
Synthesit also.
she tried Synthesit like uh, just to investigate what benefits it would
What
bring
it
for
is.
her. She didn't expect the foot
Okay.
pain
Okay.
to
So
go
it was
away.
a general curiosity.
Yes,
Nice.
yes.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Well then, if there are no some final words also from your side, and if not, we can uh, we can finish it for now for here if you like. Or are there some final words you would like to share?
Mm, just I encourage everyone to try it.
Thank you
It's
very
really good
much.
stuff. Thank
Well,
you for the interview.
no, then we wish you and your mother further health, and also your children. And maybe it's very interesting because usually we cannot and we don't recommend for children to take it. That's very important. However, you decided to give it to them yourself,
Yes.
and there are only
No,
benefits that you're seeing, and there are
yes, no harmful
no
effects.
harm, no side
Also.
effects. So
Yes,
it's also very interesting for other viewers to know that there is this possibility. However, given that we cannot recommend it, it's
yes,
thank you very
yes.
much also for this input on your behalf, on your side. So it's interesting, good to know.
Thank you.
Well,
Have a nice day.
yes, thank you very much for your time, and we wish you and your family, your children, further health. And if, of course, if there's anything, we stay in touch. And yes, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.